the key points to engaging your core is making sure that you have the right alignment with both your spine and your pelvis. A neutral spine and pelvis will ensure that you've got the bones lined up in your body for the most effective activation of your core. When you're lying on your back, you want to feel your sacrum, the triangular shaped bone at the bottom of the pelvis, heavy into the mat, and a little bit of space between your waistband and the mat. A flattened lower back would send the lower back into the mat and have the cheeks tucked underneath you. This position is least effective for engaging the deepest layer of abdominals, the transversus abdominis, and it actually encourages activation in your internal obliques. When you go back into that neutral position with the pelvis, the hip bones in the front of the pelvis and the pubic bone line up, level, parallel to the floor, and there should be just a little bit of space between your waistband and the mat. Once you've achieved that neutral position with your pelvis, you want to try and begin your activation in your core by gently drawing your pelvic floor inward and upward, and then gently drawing your abdominals inward and upward. As you make those connections with your muscles, your spine and your pelvis shouldn't change position. All we should see is a gentle flattening of the abdomen right in between those hip bones. A breath will help you to make that connection. So if you're taking a deep breath in, you're letting everything relax. And then as you exhale, you're gently drawing your pelvic floor in, and you're gently engaging through the abdominals, drawing inward and upward toward the center of your chest. As you take your breath in, pelvic floor will expand a little bit, and so will the abdomen. And then as you exhale, pelvic floor will engage, and your deepest layer of abdominals will draw inward and upward.